for higher GC News, Mema Obibia Aquaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Aramede Bramo. And so when subscribe to channel, the Bomodia say will be subscribe. The other say will click a subscribe button. Now a belly notification when a video for free be uploaded. With the first person I was Ebeka ASA video. I feel we are now one like video and give us a thumbs up now fee. Share my waffle for so now when you be here. Now who and somewhere koso ewa Ghana be muharam. Afi yembura ye and somewhere beto yep no so yenti a yes I report ya babetu ya yenti sazimi.
I am a pensioner and all my money, I must confess, the money that I saved to take care of my pension time has been taken over by the banking cleanup. So I don't have my money, and if I tell how much that I saved for over 30 years to take care of my position now, weep for me and I get nervous. How at my age to pick it as Minister of Finance because the legitimate money that I made has been taken over and I'm not being paid. Meanwhile, it's gone to Parliament. Within the budget that they are paying us, they have been paid. About 800 of my people have died. Others have got stroke. When we meet, we see a lot of our people in wheelchairs. That's what the government wants us to be. That's what you want me to be.
Nana Dr. Michael Ejekum Addo, founder Karma Pharmacy and Mikado Pharmaceuticals. Abain Bonibi na manabanesa. Ow, ya die papa die ni amani hunu.
Nipa bako also a finance minister. Nipa bako also a president. No a take action. Action is say who incompetence. Unsem huna wudi ye ena mo mani boy ye ena fi de dru baby no wo ye wa dwen se enkrofo sika e wo bank no enkrofo sika e wo bank no onfa sa amfa so ne ma wo mo de wo pe no onko hyepo ena Ofori Atta ne president na Akufo Addo ehinha ya ne dwane ahantanti omugitu mu se nipa da sani a wa bobra edi ne sika kwakoto bank no nsem hunu ne nkwase asem a wo mu di ye ninti no sa nkrofo wei yen sika no enhye de obeka bia no onfiu because on ne wotumi papa ne efa ne Ofori Atta papa ba konsunia fa na Akufo Addo sankofo we netena se ka se yen sika na da bank no a yenye bone nye hwe no ode ne sa to so because ye ho kire yen ene egitu mu ema papa we ye kan papa su wontie ema nipa ewuye ema nipa epraye ema nipa yare because of somebody's incompetence ne Ofori Atta OSP say omna no me cheche nyome ma ne nkrofo na nabi mu ne nkrofo bi ne nam ho se papa ne yare no yare a osin nipa bi mibusa enano pemani abre Ofori Atta yeso yare entite se match ono ne yare no wasa akwa abrochire Ghana fododo enti na me se Ghana te se ahyawoni na ke serious pa na Ofori Atta odane ni wo mpa so kra wase yetwe ne ba Ghana ya gye atum se okosa ne ho yare wo abrochire na match wo baabi ni ahweso omra Everyday NDC for munye serious ana munkotwe Ofori Atta odani wumpa so kra moma ne mbra Ghana ha na no onye finance minister for 8 years anentin wantimi anya nhyehyɛ ama agenda 111 ne sewu na anya adwuma sɛ de be ya oyare a ye betena kurom ha ya on de oyare a wotumi kɔ abrochire ye de ya jimi ye de nim nyansa enti se ye wu a ye nwu ha ye yare a ye ntena ha baro no de opeso otena ase papa na wagu nkrofo adwuma papa na ɔma nkofo suye papa na ɔtam sika de koye in the name of banking cleanup a woka hwea na wontie no ene ye fra ne so mekyerɛkyerɛ nyoma ma yɛse ɔyare na owu a na ayɛ den Ofori Atta owu a na ayɛ den mibusa Ofori Atta no wɔse obi
Nshiraya fan
ɔno nti Karma Health Karma CEO of Karma ono papa wa bone bra afie drume bi na papa ne se oni sika Karma group of companies papa ono owo ni sika wafa Ghana fo adwuma bebre no afie drube bi na Ofori Atta ne na Akufo Addo nti ye omu ose onye sika ekra no de aye nneoma. For the first time we had Chief Justice Chief Justice nyina ko demonstration because papa bi a friend Ken Ofori Atta one na Akufo Addo hantan ne dwane tintintintinti oka wontie enne Ken Ofori Atta yare a ye say yantwen ma ne ho ntonansa ne ho ntone because o ye hwan Ken Ofori Atta ye hwan ye de agibigimi ye busuafo mu wuye ye sika ekoda ho papa we ineptitude ne incompetence no yantwen ma ne ho ntonansa na o ma ye ho atoye enkrofo no mu wuye no because of Ken Ofori Atta no ye de enya nipa Ghana yeso sonsem hunu so dodo yeso sonsem hunu so dodo yeso sonsem hunu so dodo se Ken Ofori Atta yare no yare antidien owu ana ye den osin obi twa yantu se bia fie o me de ente mani abre afi ni se nanu bia ne ye ka ho asem mumi ama no enti me ka kire mu se bedru baabi no na mo person na janto me ka bi ma me nka bi ma mo because na person ka mo support me no mo bia mfi me enne Ken Ofori Atta ye hia no wo Ghana ha ye se oyare te se match ebrade ni agye atum monkofa ne mra baby obi am kofa ne mra me se ayi kura oxygen tua ne hwene kura monfa ne mra Ghana ha o metra Ghana he ya Ghana ne ye wo no ye finance minister wan fa sika ma ye hospital na anya ya momma ne mra ha o ha na owu anya hwe Ken Ofori Atta wu anya hwe obi awu because on soon say kama on soon chen krofo a wo ma mawu on soon chen obi a let him they see that what is it
in she riot
they see that that's one or Ken Ofori Atta enti dey na time na wodi adwunim no na onim so Ken Ofori Atta e dey na Ghana ase so so nyoma so ase yesuru no papa we ama yen sika ase enye ne ye ayo okoka onfiu che emmerewafo ne nkokrafo a omu sa line enkokrafo omu sa line me se no pe on me bufu afu no enkrofo omu sa line se Ken Ofori Atta fa yesika ma ye ne ewu papa se nkwasasem na moto mo peden papa wetimi ka chom se na menem ndi nkomo enti de bia mo peden wo menchen
oh yeah come on
Isha 104.5
papa we egu adwuma GN Bank over 3,000 pa kwasindium ne bank odi ye adwuma abai de pa kwasindium ka pa kwasindium say famisi kama me na at least mintua nkrofo ka Ken Ofori Atta say chinchen mempene jakchan on fi I am asking Ken Ofori Atta oye nipa chen obi ana Ken Ofori Atta so owu a ochen GN Bank for ochen menkrofo mu wuye ochen Ghana for mepra ochen Ghana for omunya problem Ken Ofori Atta owu a na ye dey enti yemfa ne mra Ghana ha no metre mu de oyeye because onso nchen obi a onso nchen mebusuani na owu ye no because of onso nchen se mimi sika manya hwea me de akoto se bank ne mfa nya adwuma ma me no Ken Ofori Atta so obetua ne 10 years time 15 years time mo pa mo nkose po me bebo voice bi a kire GN Bank workers na mamefo papafo a wo mu abusiafo rely on them akwaye wudini Ken Ofori Atta hwe ne honto me hwe baby Ghana adru no ho yentu sebi sede de bia ye bompa ye no me say yakopani nsem bia wo ka bia se wo sisi ye no wo honto da because empire boy ye bogu papa we tiri so no wo pese honto ye de ye nyare oma no munye sika nkoto mu dialysis omu nko dialysis omu nto mu pressure duro mu wuye no na wo de ho na hwe yentie papa no yentie GN Bank yentie de course over 3,000 workers and ye lay mu off me wan so GN Bank Parkwest Indian Bank na aban duo mu ka contractors obo tiamo mu kra so amfie mu yentie de course bra Facebook ye de to so
you amasi now, Captain, we have to me ex-staff of GN Savings. I want to be Juma. Now, MCA nim say due to certain things, you know, I'm revoking your license. Now, you can say, OSHA Deposit Taking Institution Act, no, that's a 930. Oba ya can say section 17 8 year. Otchere say one revoke license they should give you to a receivership. And on the man receiver. receiver no she friend no omo de ma PWC Eric Nipa
Okay.
any de man no na ye di adema so mo ba so no me ka se no rep e ba na friend no Azuma ana Azuma ba na Azuma say he say now we are under the receivership and you know your welfare bibia no yeah staff
bra Facebook na be hwe ade betia branch na okasa no betie
bia ye
GN bank for no me de wo kwa achia mu ahu nyoma Ofori Atta na abusuafo ye
3,000
workers
3,000 workers. Yeah.
I can give you all the names of the branches.
3,000 workers GN bank nipa ba ko
ye wo bunkrugu ye wo pusiga ye wo garu ye wo dana every ye wo kona bia ba bia Pakwasindum GN bank enya sem 3,000 workers if you mobile bank and scroll na me manage you 1,650 yeah manage you micro enterprise department na me boss ni Kofi Asamoah. I don't know if you know him.
Wow.
But I say ye doso and they say adwuma no e call from thinking say e bia on be pe bibia man aye yeah yet ase yet fie be 3 years ni captain me to we ya pam me ba 2 ye can say 2 months ni what fie me ka me to ya na me se me di ye adwuma e ya tatak ahye am say ye PF e wo Eric Nipa ho ye PF waka ho
PF ni ye den
PF ni ye on say you can say snitch we say no say
this is so what ye na Ofori Atta owu ana ye den mi busa oye nipa chen say wo hwe no ho yare we omra Ghana ha no na ye finance minister at the time we were begging this man. See how wicked these people were. Nana Akufo Addo ni Ofori Atta. Mo de makachem so munim de course wo entia. Munim de course wo. Ye wonyoma bi wo kra na Bawumia timi ka say we de mempene so. Nana Akufo Addo timi kachem say Masa, this is my government. This is my presidency. That is the kind of person na munim de na course wo. This is the Nana Akufo Addo ni Ofori Atta. Omo be wia ye kum ye say ye oman no. Ye ka munim say bia ye mpe papa na sem. But these were wicked people who came to just destroy this country. Look, 3,000 GN bank in Kwa. 6,000 people. Says Sali Pakrono. Mimiti hey. Uni minkrofon Kwa say mejuma gua omu ho bechiromo. And he say multimedia afami. Multimedia for Eugene. Uni minkrofon Kwa mu rely on us. Minima sell ba kwa. No ye juma ye GN bank and ne papa ni tifie. Penya wacha ne madu level o ye juma. GN bank abind in a car or the Pakwasindum syndrome car. Shenanse Pakwasindum syndrome call rounds. Office not say, Casa say, just ye bop upon it from Ankasa, ye bop upon it from GN bank and 1 because or ye CPP new. But don't move form no. I'm sure said do not be MPP NDC. And so Ofori Atta at the perpetual din way at na se manipa wuye. Entina mi busa say Ofori Atta owu a na ye den na before so be wu no e wo se atwe ba me so okuta order oxygen so kra na order oxygen kra mo ntwe Ofori Atta ma mama ne ntwan before of March onye nipa nche obi a bring Ofori Atta me so order oxygen kra ma ne mna Ghana ha yeti krom ha na cathedral national cathedral ye bedidi atem say yemfa Ghana sika nye to Ofori Atta tintin treaty because of what to minti or the nsako bom say $58 million yafanko 2 foundation cathedral ni ama papa we to no anya nkrofobi in the name of MPP communicators defend papa we you are defending an evil act. National cathedral $58 million only the $1 million itimi $58 million and you pay US for sika US for some sika $58 million yamfanya cathedral a swimming pool and this is the man we are talking about. Sedu Agongo bra Facebook na behwe Sedu Agongo onana obi a heritage bank papa we obaye Class Media Class FM Accra FM ba kun cry den me refi number 1 obaha you can say this year na Kumasi FM papa bie obi adwuma ma Ghana fo Sedu Agongo obi adwuma ma Ghana fo At that time, the family mami ye Juma Ukuma TFM. Ne bank, one of the best bank, Heritage Bank. O when you see Kadada, Papa no nye hwio. Ken Ofori Atta say, Bank of Ghana, Governor Kanchene say, fata se obe oni bank because ne ho aye fi said we are gongu. Bra Facebook na hwe Heritage Bank, Bank of Ghana chase utie papa na sama said we are gongu. Anka adwuma wo be bie said we are gongu. Behwe no papa na wo bie Class FM ni adesi ama ene air struggle no. Papa we agriculture fertilizer. Ona wo ye wo bie ma Ghana for dodo na ye adwuma o woni sika o. But also oboa Ghana Ken Ofori Atta ebe gu bank no. Ken Ofori Atta ebe gu bank no because e de bia no mo pese oye no na also on play mo nye enti Ken Ofori Atta tena so enya te se bi wadi sika o Heritage Bank enya te se no mo ni sika o enya te se no mo ni no mo wo sika. They were solvent but Ken Ofori Atta eka say on play ma sedu agongo enti o ka kire say onya fit and proper nipa onya criminal no. Nanu na odi nkomo papa say animonyam ni a sebi nke eka kwasi twumyi ka papa we ono so ye boni din wo krom ha obi adwuma e ma Ghana fo na ye adwuma Ken Ofori Atta say ma gu bank no opa koshepo de obe bia ye yemfa ho hwe fa to so ye ma ne koda prison 2 days onimonyam ni o sedu agongo animonyam ni a wa bia adwuma ma Ghana ni a sikani e wo sanke protecting no oye bone kra ye kwaya ye faso ye no enkofo we ema yetimi ma ne koda ye beto so koda I think yoko say for 2 days 2 nights no da ho na wo ye kan sema wo si Ken Ofori Atta owu a onye nipa nche wo bia hwe
in she riot
Ken Ofori Atta onye nipa nche wo bia tina me timi hu na nabi mu na mo ye han na e wo say and this for crowd mo ye weak too much. And this for your wiki too much. Papa we akunipa. Papa we ni yeye ama nipa ewu. Papa we ni yeye ama nkofo o menya stroke. Motete na mo twen time on no ne ho beto no. Yeah, Sedu, owner of Heritage Bank, Sedu, it's not fit and proper to own a bank. Sa we na papa we nkofo we ye mutam $250 million ekoye headquarters. Headquarters were Bank of Ghana office in say no papa your friend Addison or your governor or tenants in a Akufo Addo aban at times he kasi yamfa nkoye headquarters in Krominya wie
in she riot
this is the country na Akufo Addo ni Ken Ofori Atta air manage na wote wa o se yehu omumobo u ayede na me matena se me hu na Akufo Addo ni Ken Ofori Atta mobo wo bra o mabo man yi Ken Ofori Atta be ka che se yenko IMF yentie no Ken Ofori Atta obeka che say yenko IMF osa your true force aka ho.
We are not going to the IMF. Whatever we do, we are not. The consequences are there. We are a proud nation. We have the resources. We have the capacity. Don't let anybody tell you. Like when Joshua, Caleb, and the 10 others went to spy on the promised land. And only 2 of them came to say that we can do it. And the 10 went around the community murmuring, you can't, We are not people of short sight.
Osayo true phone kanokre. Ken Ofori Atta. Aso IMF ni yanko because amre na nom di 11 naba. Nom peso di 11 neba. Papa we e ka kire ye say yanko IMF ne enko china. Na obia obeka se yebekwa wanhwa de we oman yi kwa yebekwa IMF no sankofo no omu ndini nkwa akire omu de wo mu si hwe nyoma no esua. We are short-sighted people. Ni eka se na Akufo Addo abo oman yi na je se IMF bamu no NDC for cry remember eka bi oman fi no eka kire ni se ebe ka kire nkofo se omo yesa no okotu Joshua ne Caleb ne hwan te se on se eno na makristo sankofo we bi say na nkofo hwe omo mpese omekọ asore no because Ken Ofori Atta pa ye kristoni a enye makono da se minsi asore dem se papa we say na nyamesom tie pa na me ye kristoni ka me hwe ne so nka me nkọ asore da because sankofo we na obi tie tie say na kristoni pa na ye ne nkrofo say kristoni e na oye ne nkrofo say me babe bo papa bi de bra Facebook na me nkyere wade mani abro ene engro ne edie tie papa wadi 81 years na oka na mani hunu Now all called demonstration because Papa be a friend can Ofori Atta, any president be a near friend and Akufo Addo. Oma ka bom say omusika no ofa akoshepo de meye bia meye yente papa no.
Let's turn our attention to the debt exchange program where pension bondholders forum have been picketing at the finance ministry. My colleague James Aveji has been interacting with a retired 81-year-old medical doctor and has sent in this report.
Well, I'm a sick man. I'm 81-year-old.
Until memo bia me preach me say mento me boase maybe obia me kasa ade no. Me say sometimes eye for eye ye adwuma. God is a God of justice. Aya na ka say Jesus Christ na ya grace o. But yankopon ye justice on pens hunu. Be hwe 81 papa no 81 me na 81. Na wa sorry free ho e be demonstration because papa bi e friend Kennedy Ofori Atta. Wajini sika. Yentie 81 years.
A lot on my drugs and my treatment. Very soon I'll be on dialysis, and I know dialysis is very expensive.
I'll come back to talk about that. But if you say you are a doctor, tell us a bit more about yourself.
I'm a retired medical practitioner.
A
retired medical practitioner. I work on my own. I was a private medical practitioner and retired because of sickness.
Or a doctor.
And I saved.
And save
so that it will help me look after myself.
Doctor,
I live on my money. I invested so that I look after myself. I retired on the 2017.
2017 or retired?
In 2017. Wow. So, at what point did you buy the government bond?
No, I bought it only last year to help me. I wanted to invest to help me look after myself.
As a doctor or investing.
Have you been able to receive any of the coupons since you invested?
No, I don't receive coupons. I invested and then it's maturing in September.
In September 2023.
2023. Yes.
I see. So, what is the relationship between this investment you have made and your health?
No, because I depend on it. If you sit on it, I cannot look after myself.
Mami mpose hano. Kwase na obu. Ye busa no sentwani busa no say usika na akamu ne wapomuden no. Say ne say o say eno na me de me ho ato so. Me na na o 81 years. One nam de kwe enti say no a wakipu sika no Kennedy Ofori Atta na Akufo Addo. Mo incompetence inti sa sika no ebeye den na me akokra menya sa sika ni bia kwakoye. This is what I'm talking about. That yenya nkokra fo bi so omu wuye tina me bu say na no pay se Kennedy Ofori Atta owu a na ye den. But before so bewu no yentwene mra na yemusa no sa anyoma wi said ye oma ye nananum sofa ye no sa no so be sofa ne ho ntono say ye ma ye nananum de ahometie ebi kono sa pepepe na wo say to no.
That's it.
You mentioned that you invested last year with the intention to use that to look after yourself. What exactly do you mean?
I mean, to buy drugs and then dialysis. I'm an old man. I have so many type of diseases. I can't tell you all. But I spend a lot on drugs. And very soon, I'll start dialysis. And I need my money for it. That's why I'm waiting when the September comes, when I collect my money, I will start the dialysis.
When were you booked to start the dialysis?
Dialysis any time from now, because I'm the end of renal failure. When you are in the stage 4, and you can mean
on the oka we do stage 4 of kidney dialysis. And this stage 4 no etimi kun 81 years so 81 years. And mo bia me preach say me to me boase owu a onye ni panche obia. but who did nipa bɔne a hwɛ Nyankopɔn tie can say mobroni for nimpai bo ebia ne ani tumi but emre bi meka no wa ha during MPP time say mo amaye din no a nyoma ekosu mu se mo nkasa no Nyankopɔn ni mu be dili hwɛ yen yare bia ye bɛkɔ na ye ho atoyen but I'm telling you yen ye ho bɛtoyen yen ni sika ye kɔ hospital a ye ho bɛtoyen but wo ohonto sika na uji aye sika na o de far left and right no yen o de be ye wo ho aduro nkofo wonim dwuro momadi wonim dream a womadi nanka wonim dream momadi a ka ye ka obeti ase kan Ofori Atta Radi Nyankopɔn
As my colleague, Deputy Minister said, we are not going to the IMF. Whatever we do, we are not. The consequences are there. We are a proud nation. We have the resources. We have the capacity. Don't let anybody tell you. Like when Joshua, Caleb, and the 10 others went to spy on the promised land. And only 2 of them came to say that we can do it. And the 10 went around the community murmuring, you can't, We are not people of short sight, you know. And we have to move on. Okay. So let's think of us as who we are, a proud, strong people.
This was Ofori Atta. Ye were resources. Ye were wine, Gianni Hantai, and so some no mu do man koshe eyimu. Ye were Kenye. The nano penam pesa mekano.
Adeba kwa ken Ofori Atta asem we beto dwa me ba na asem no so ade abe me den se me de ebi mu o mo kase me kase asem we o mo kase adwemmo do betri me nya adwemmo ne me kase an eye for an eye, tit for tat enye ne bone so de me pese me nchemu ni se sa emra na ema osimasi eho kwan ema ne di bone de ye ne ama di tia obi foforo no samra no say ye na eye still valid na say na so ye adwuma de a obi su yusu bi di obi a enye bone se ne ye obi ansa hwiye sa emra na ema ho kwan ema ahomache obi bowura John ginapo dem ekos sa ne rene ne ma egu baabi a omo season ni phone the laptops ni ekeka ho no se samra ne se sai ade na wo de adibidi wa o si we are one people o si we are all Ghanaians na John ginapo tape ni mumitie ni tape no asem bi oka ya me ne nyadwe ni speech ni de okasa fine na asem bi oka ya me ne nyadwe ni say o wish Ofori Atta all the best of luck omo boy ni paboni ni say ya wish the best of luck na yakoya na say ba me to me wish Ofori Atta anything good be as happen to him because sebi you the odia ye nkrofo ebusuafo ne nkrofo papa ne nkrofo na nananom ebi to no na ebi ye no a hwe si ono onye nipa nchen obi a hwe Ofori Atta bonni ni niama odia di nkrofo o mam ha se won se ka ye ka bi a kire wa otimu se sa papa no gina honum na kra no I don't know how to describe him. Who upon someone we painting a name black or share white or kasa soft spoken as if so any papa ni replica any Ofori Atta. Look at how Nkofo omuye the competitors business competitors onu wanye na adwin say onu mu be compete fairly on fair grounds aka say okay me so me business we bi my idea and I say ebi opportunity na menya no kra no me de beboa me business na akosoro hwene ma o use the businesses na ye enterprise insurance tio a buy contract insurance contractor na SIC as an insurance state insurance company no ya jini nyina de come enterprise insurance and also investment banks investment companies nyina Ubas also beji investment companies for contracts and any investment deals on one nyina no wo data bank ebeje ye anso o si da bi mi wie na wo call after the people na wo call na wo call mo adwuma so na wo call say wo megu adwuma ugu no one after the other na dey ya ne say onu po de yedi ntronto ne so yo ade ade ato ne so ya declare ne fugitive no aye sama wa yo waye omo maka no no masa so the propaganda and you know how it was the ogu adwuma no ama communication communication bureau of the party no say they should clean the mess no maba no mu tufi ya samu enim yes yo we ko wi sika wa ha no de ko bie bank no ma cancel me poto
no say investor sika ko gu
abrochire no mu omo the stories egu so
say do agongo wi
Ghana sika
na de akobie bank
na utie say do agongo interview no oni City FM for interview no o say oni Ofori Atta ekoye meeting because no what say ye ba be Google banks no call Ofori Atta because o say Ofori Atta na downfall otio o so na downfall okono na ken ka chen so da bi onye eno de maso no ka chen say the bank no plan say o pese on fan call international intino o say obetani obeba no na ken afre na ka chen say o enye possible wagu ne bank because almost see or no or a tenny on deserve say sika no on deserve so betumi be bank or say o share with description of the Bank of Ghana and almost he doesn't deserve like on the whole so be betumi be bank. Look at how the jina so e dey go in the bank. Share Dr. Indum unu ma dey Ofori Atta here no Ofori Atta so Ghana's finance minister and when you so enu hankwa o or the that unu say Dr. Indum companies in Numa or Liberia. Dr. Indum companies in Liberia Ofori Atta went after the man in Liberia almost also sponsor obi tio Ofori Atta must sponsor obi US and the Dr. Indum also call court.
Oh okay, court issue now US
sponsor obi from Ghana and the Dr. Indum call court US because now almost Dr. Indum the deposit sika and akọ and no say about case ni guye still no matter the another person just say obu tata no all because on penny panasem oni nye adwen na onim say odi boni we nyina hwe senka obu akola de nka jane ma ne kode odi so obu abrausu hwe Dr. Indum edu airport ade omude ye no na edu ba bi no nim so mu nwu na papa no sa papa ni ye say obeka no kore wa asem ni mu a ehonu mu adana na Ofori Atta afre GRA afre regulatory agencies NIC National Insurance Commission no afre BOG no afre this ECG no do omo companies no so be fa be kwa so ebegu no it Dr. Indum be so be kasa pa no esie masa yedin esa other companies na survive no eno kra be why look be finish no so eno so de aka ho ma che say omo disturb companies ya disturb ya Dr. Indum so be ba Ghana ha isen krofo akọ papa chew
wow
yes answer wa be si unim de ntia because omo hu say omo nya efin bia mfa ngu papa no wona papa no so mom na de aban akogina court o Dr. Indum de aban akogina court omo court no mo mba eno omo hu say asem no affect omo but on person Dr. Indum so omo kana no tuni no me ye omo ye say Dr. Indum bedu airport pano di yoko ebe hia no airport wo ni aye de ni na ko twere corner kakra ni agu ne hu fi ni aye story Indum arrested na say de agu ne hu fi internationally san reputation no all of these things now omo de ye nkrofo amanfo mba omo post nkrofo no man di o man sika o na onim Ofori Atta asem de ye ka minya humobro bia ma no because sabi o yare o cheye nananom na omo musika tie o omo ambobo se fi aban ho omo anje obi de omo anka bia nhyem omo akasa omo sika na Ofori Atta because of mismanagement ne this bonity omo copy Ministry of Finance omo ti ho chairmu obi ehia na edro otumi nto na Ofori Atta say you can go to hell no o cheye sangrofo no onu ye de ne to ho chairmu put the sand cabbage e de ne ba ye de be soup ye de be stew edi hwe Ofori Atta boni awadi nanim me adeba kwa Ofori Atta eye mahi aye metan ewo special prosecutor Sammy aye koso we nyina ne se wo kai mre bia atwa metwe adwen na Ofori Atta yare na nim ahoho pafo
okoye yi bae
ana Ghana fo ka ne party fo ka chene se resign fa wadwuma to honum na wapomuden no na focus on wapomuden Ofori Atta say the yare no mu nyina no obetumi aye adwuma because the whole Ghana no pe na onyansa che obi enti adwuma no ofi honum a obi tumi nye to say all resign da ogina mu a ne yare no mu nyina papa say mu ya dan kura adwuma no meye na sende na say yes adwuma na wo say wo yare kura obeye na no hunti ye fro say be yi nsam ano no wo say no the same yare no the year skills say untumi mba because wo yare na san wodin na wodi ye adwuma fa san wodin na fa plan braga na be yi one way na the area no so num say sana na Akufo Addo na busuafo they are very disrespectful people. They think some are superior. They think that they are more important than anybody. Look at the tone of the letter. The tone of the letter, you know, impression of creating is a special prosecutor, me small boy, like I to say, or replying officially, or reply to say, Makola, like I don't have time, I can't come. How can you respond to special prosecutor and as a state agency say, you are out of jurisdiction indefinitely? So it means that Dompreh and they should talk to your people. Who the hell do you think you are? Who you wine and what you can say? Oh dear, young coin or some no before from Kasa. Na me dear, a mabunu na me no kasa. Ma obian ko jiji entokwa enko kan sam basa bia kan Ofori Atta mu di musika no. Wanya bia ndi wan benefit amode mo gas no won ka ho. Na nya wonande because of these greedy people no wo ba no aba be sorry say wo be ma unimu maji no akoje Mahama omo dabi me de owura kan Ofori Atta ade na special prosecutor watching akwakosi ayi even say and malanim na ya kacha ne say ombra no be yi ni ho no ombra look at the amount of money involved who can Ofori Atta wo yare sabi o nka wo nyansa na wo adwen papa $58 million ya odi kotu atchere di kotu amna we na ka odi ko see health medical facility ya ebe sha kidney ebe sha abra wo apomuden a na ka wow wo yare no wo hu nyansa adwen money ti odi kotu atchere and that wo obi man so se wo ja yare sa the same sika no wo fanya bibi amia nya so fa so entimi de me ka kwa kosi se owura Ofori Atta ehumobro bia ni hono mu a esese obi timi tra baby be ka se Ofori Atta munya botre ye nya botre because we deep money ono wanya considerate MDC for MPP for ba mu no unim se bonni omu dia din krofo o man consider o man show bia ena table 10 ye no obi abeba o se o we are brothers, we are one family, we are one people. Only why na one people. Only why. Send your mo bisa some more church mu. NLA. Ese so mo ko.
National Lottery Authority.
Yes. Sammy Uku. Omo nyina. Ese se ehwehwe omo chi. Apart from that, NSA. National Service Authority, NSS
National Service
Secretariat. Kwabena Agyapong. Ghost names are a woman 81,000
2024.
That's a sikano. Now otchere report no and say there was some kind of connivance between University of Education, UCC, and UDS using one name CB any index number o create and no mudi disikano and a syndicate na unim say MPP for nangasa no omo bokro no no man fanyansa nto ho into 2 time wa omo nkasa omo susum any omo shadow say ehunehunu omo no unim say omo vote nangasa na omo party here omo matra power mu no omo dwane ja vote no gift your mu nyina omo dwane before e beto aba
gift your requirements and election
omo nyina call ye Cries and e beto aba because they were scared
no mu ni so mu lusu ahwa omo ntimi mfa kotokanko. Oh, okay.
Bebre omo ni Ghana ha omo participate in the elections. Many of them they were not here. And I see now omo how the results and the outcome no send basa but they knew said they were targets. Whatever will happen in the elections, whether their party wins or not, no, yes, people will come after them. So omo dwane call ye kra dada. me betina hanum say and na make catch am say me minimum crofo a omo both pro MPP that time pro government people are omo nyina de omo families nyina ko US omo hanum keke na make electoral commission workers na make catch up political parties any MPP for penny all these things it me special prosecutor you knew all this. And then one fine bag one to almost so no went to like one prevent you from leaving the country. Time now about season for passports. Almost season for passports. Then they stop you from seizing these people on my passport.
So almost koi and sana election aid.
So it's here correspondence now happen between special prosecutor and the Kennedy Inwa. It started long ago. And now sir attitude say member me fimuno. Our Ghana honey nyina no no dem dis ankita ho na enye na asem so if uni na yesa adwuma na unim say o suspecting based on one kasa won say ma kan say o suspecting say on person ba really ne ho a enye embargo keke na rebeto ne so ono e hwan omo ye hwan omo do di boni obi di omo bi enye yie omo do di boni a na obi di omo bi enye yie me de mimi ni ehumọ bro because boni omo di nipa hwe for 8 years because of Ofori Atta I can tell you say more than 5,000 people enye adwuma ye aduane koma no ye hand to mouth
8 years
8 years I can tell you for a fact say because of Ofori Atta ye wo memburu bebre wo no musisi a omaware egu because omaduane omusano aduane ebo mu entimi hwo mo family mu emo mo ne omo yire anaso mo kunu mu ntematete because enyemo mayede na mo de wo akakodi bone awie say hwesika look at the money the amount of money involved do be sound how they kwai what they hear den o kai say metra baby say ti boni an na Akufo Addo na busuafo di Ghana ha yet o metna habi and some another country be on bekom and clearly no it is showing say they didn't have any plans some near emba betna Ghana ha
because na na so ni Ghana ha
clearly no oma unim de oma ye who say omo ye plan no mo we no mo ma gabby ebo 7 without appointment no ono untimi fa charge bia mo no nam honum din sa eno unu so no waka akire o okọ anu aba eno no eno uti se gangalia nti ono no sort nyama wa akire because oma gada sika na gu ho nti eno ne se oba na otuatua wa akire dia cover Ofori Atta ne nyama because can gu ho and that's their plan and another strategy bi omo ye omo de ba ne so no say omo person omo ye te say omo targeted like abaina ba no wa target omo family Omonya Bonibia, they want to give the government a bad name. So at the end of the day, no. Oh, say Omo fa state lands no mo first carrying na. No my imagine say Omo beji. Oba na beji e bet say o share that na o beji Omo di Omo fa kwan pass. Bi wa the news say ade no mo ye enye. It's the same thing they are trying to do. Now o share Ofori Atta na. Omo ye ne say Ofori Atta ndo yare. Em say the man e make kono on change and sacrifice no. Na sika no mo de mo ni mabusuafo nkodi. Endro me ko restaurant bi. Na me kwa koto aduane. Na me restaurant one mo a na me hu young guys be say 3 bi eh me makosa me kwa koto me dia no 70 cedi no kura me hu so na guys u komo mu di no na me to di yo metin say when I was in London I send this something money no way so no abosika $2,000 we so like dollar asem no mu di o and I became curious say eh ekulabe na mundi 25 years kura mo bobosika kese say so me hwa me hu say na me hu say ma mobra. Hey, the guy say, and I'm a pimbe or mona me bisa guy back was oh. Hey, Charlie, you people you do what they happy. Then like a Juma Ben amwe almost you or back to so school or London and about also so US but on my back no more on my base. Omo koy back ko bo ba kudi and papa S government for ni bi. Okay. Abrapa all boni sika odi no nti ono je se ne papa abo bracha me papa o yes
na ne papa wa abem
ti o da bi bo no beka se ne papa ebo bra me papa wa mo bra but the same krono sika no na ne money ka $2,000 $3,000 asema mi ni bi yo and sanya ma wo nyina koso mo de sisi ano mo de esiesie mo nchiri ma ebeba o kai se na Akufo Addo first time omo ko family reunion bi family reunion biachim aye omo grandchildren nephews nieces uncles and grandpapas omo nyina ko hia wo abrochire omo todan bi on the whole street no na Akufo Addo na busuafo ato ho nyina o hu sa video no Asante Bediatuo eshe singlet amuti yachimu omoto waterfront. See, that is the life omu yu mind sika no omo your mind say unbelieve the honum you better be sorry no mama esanso be ba 50 years esanso be di ya emba so enu ti last time try ka say it's a see a true book near the to record so near esanso keep registry records of omuma omunana anomu omunchiri mani man kole wo machi nyina ye de omunyina to register to the publish near banyo mudin near mamu say Simon boyfo we there we shouldn't see their type again because coming kroma near mam dia omunana nom dom dia coming kroma no omusuba money no omumana e just omako baabi no omo no mesanso baabi wa omudin di gabby omudin di nana Akufo Addo omudin di Ofori Atta Asante Bediatuo no omubedi bone no some man asom dem ko school manone no omo nso na e ba sanso bedi ye bone bio we should be able to check them all out ni ehun se sankofo emi momo sanso mbabio.
I am a pensioner, and all my money, I must confess, the money that I saved to take care of my pension time has been taken over by the banking cleanup. So I don't have my money. And if I tell how much that I saved for over 30 years to take care of my position now, you weep for me. And I get nervous. How at my age to picket as Minister of Finance, because the legitimate money that I made has been taken over and I'm not being paid. Meanwhile, it's gone to Parliament. Within the budget that they are paying us, they have been paid. About 800 of my people have died. Others have got stroke. When we meet, we see a lot of our people in wheelchairs. That's what the government wants us to be. That's what you want me to be.
Nana Dr. Kennedy Agyapong, founder, Kama Pharmacy and Mikado Pharmaceuticals. Abain Bonibi na manabanesa. Ow, ya, die, papa die amani hunu.
Yo, waiting for when a reporter Abeto Yepuno so Mikao says, so we now subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say, over subscribe, Sansa Hadia, later and hot news, and Aremeyaw Bro. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up, Nafi, Shema, or Fofrosona. When you be here, now, who and somewhere Koso, Ghana memoir. Also, bet me a chair wadring affair, some way you know, who comment box in Mobati Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.